My students, my dear students, every day I take a class of HSC 11 and 12 class, and now I came in front of you, I came before you with another topic, and this is related to your English first paper. You know that the question number 3, especially the question number 3, flowchart, I will discuss now about flowchart. How can we answer the flowchart? I will show you. Okay, so without going any further, let's get started with the new topic. So today our topic is flowchart. For answering flowchart, we have 5 boxes and 6 boxes, and first one will have to be done for you. First one has been done for you in the question paper, and there is some rules and regulation for solving this question. So let me show how the question of flowchart appeared in the question paper. Suppose there for the question of flowchart, you will have a full passage, you will have a complete passage. Suppose a passage regarding Nelson Mandela. This is the very first unit, lesson 1, Nelson Mandela. And from the Nelson Mandela, this type of question will appear in the examination, that make a flowchart showing the characteristics of Nelson Mandela. Make a flowchart showing the characteristics of, make a flowchart showing the characteristics of Nelson Mandela. Okay, and you will get one answer has been done for you, and there you will get another 5 boxes, like this in the question script. The question will appear like this: make a flowchart showing the characteristics of Nelson Mandela. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. A political leader. Number 1 has been done for you, and another 5 you have to solve you have to fill the box, another 5 boxes. So now I will show you, I will discuss you how can we make a flowchart. How can we make a flowchart? Okay. So in the NCTB textbook, we do not get any detail about solving this question, but I think that in the model answer they are shown, they answered it by phrase. So I can say that we can make the answer of flowchart by using phrases. So Now I will discuss how can we make phrases. How can we make phrases? We can make, or we can make phrase in many ways. The first thing is we can make the main verb into, we can turn the main verb into gerund. That is verb ing form of verb, ing form with ing form of verb, and adding another one or two words, we can make the answer of this flowchart. That is using gerund at the very first, very beginning of every phrases. We can use gerund. This is the first clue. The second thing is we can use by plus gerund. Suppose if the question is make a flowchart showing how the people of Bangladesh get the freedom from West Pakistan. If like this question, we can use at the very first by fighting against West Pakistanis, by protesting against their oppression. So we can use by plus gerund here. And then another form is 2 plus verb form. 2 plus verb 1, 2 plus base form of verb. Okay. If the question is make a flowchart what the Bangladeshi people, Bengali people demanded to West Pakistanis. If we make the flowchart, so we can make flowchart to get freedom. If the question is make a flowchart showing how they achieved freedom, how the Bengali people achieved freedom, how the Bengali people, what were the demand of Bengali people. Make a flowchart showing what were the demand of Bengali people to West Pakistan, to the authority, to the government of West Pakistan in 1971. Okay. If we solve this kind of question, we can write they demand or to get political freedom, to get economical solvency. So we can use 2 plus verb form to solve this problem, for solving this, for making this kind of answer. Okay. And another one is we can omit the subject. We can omit the subject from the very beginning of the sentence. We can omit the subject. Okay. So let me give some example. Do you have duster? Let me give some example here. Omitting structure. The same flowchart. Okay. We can just omit the subject from the every sentence. Suppose make a flowchart showing the characteristics of Nelson Mandela, and in the passage we get this. Nelson Mandela fought against white minority. Nelson Mandela fought against white minority. We can just omit Nelson Mandela from the sentence. Okay. That is another example of making the phrase omitting only the subject. So we can write here Nelson Mandela fought against the white minority. Instead, we just write fought against white minority. That is another example of making phrase omitting the subject from the very beginning of the sentence. And then another way to use noun phrase. And what is noun phrase? Noun Noun phrase is we will use noun adding other one or two more words. That is make a flowchart showing the characteristics of Nelson Mandela. We can write an African leader. Characteristics of Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was a fighter. Nelson Mandela, fighter. Fighter of discrimination. Fighter of discrimination. Okay. A fighter of discrimination. There is two noun are added with another preposition. This is noun phrase. So we can use noun phrase instead of gerundal form, omission of subject, and these are the all how we can answer the flowchart. Now let us revise again from the very beginning of my class. That flowchart, you will get this question in question number 3. For answering flowchart, we have to remember that we have to give importance, or we have to give more importance on this part after showing. In every question there will be something written after showing. So our gist words from the question is the characteristics of Nelson Mandela. This part is very important. If we make the answer, then we have to put more attention in this part after showing. And how can we make the answer? First one will be done for you. First one has been done for you, and another 5 boxes. You have to fill the 5 boxes. And how will we fill the boxes? Then I said before that we have to use phrases. And how can we form the phrases? How can we formulate the phrases? We can formulate the phrases, we can frame the phrases by making it main verb gerundal form, by adding by before the gerund, and by using 2 plus base form of verb, by using preposition with gerundal form, and by using noun phrases and omitting the subjects. So that's all for today. Thank you all.